If you work in Photoshop and need your design ready for print, one of the most important things to learn is how to convert RGB to CMYK the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch your file from RGB to CMYK in Photoshop, and I'll also explain why it's important to save a backup first so you don't lose your original colors or editable layers. This is a simple process, but it's one that can save you from a lot of headaches later, especially if you're creating flyers, posters, packaging, or any other print project. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more Photoshop tips, editing tutorials, and easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, before you change anything, you want to create a backup copy of your file. Go up to the top menu and click File, then choose Save a Copy. When the Save window opens, save your project as a PSD file. This is really important because when you convert from RGB to CMYK, Photoshop can flatten certain adjustment layers and your colors may shift a little. So keeping an original RGB version means you can always go back if you need to make changes later. Once your backup is saved, you can move on to the color mode change. At the top of Photoshop, go to the menu bar and click Image. From the drop-down menu, hover over Mode. This is where Photoshop lets you change the color space of your document. In the Mode submenu, click CMYK Color. As soon as you select it, Photoshop may show a prompt asking what you want to do with your layers before changing the color mode. If you want to keep as much of your layer structure as possible, choose Don't Flatten. This is the better option if you still plan to make edits and want to preserve your workflow, although some adjustment layers may still behave differently after the conversion. If you are completely finished editing and you want the most accurate color conversion for printing, choose Flatten. Flattening combines everything into one layer, which can help avoid surprises during conversion, but it also means you won't be able to edit individual layers the same way afterward. So the choice depends on whether you're still working or fully ready for print. After that, you may see a second warning about color profiles or the conversion process. When that happens, just click OK to confirm the change. Photoshop will then convert your image from RGB to CMYK. After the conversion is complete, it's a good idea to check your colors and make sure everything still looks the way you want it to. Because CMYK is designed for print, some bright RGB colors may appear a little more muted, and that's completely normal. If needed, you can make final adjustments now that you're in the correct color mode. And that's it. You've successfully converted RGB to CMYK in Photoshop. Just remember the two biggest takeaways. Always save a backup copy first, and be careful when deciding whether to flatten your layers. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.